So in this question they are saying that a line L root 2x plus y equal to alpha pass through the point of intersection P, which is in the first quadrant of the circle. All right, and what are the point of intersection? You can see that one we have given circle and another we have given parabola. All right, so let us try to draw the rough diagram. This is the circle which I have drawn here, and this is the parabola. You can see that this is the parabola, x square equal to 2y. This is the parabola. So there are 2 point of intersection, this one and this one, but they are talking about this point P here because it is lying in the first quadrant. Okay, so first try to find the point of intersection of circle and parabola. All right, so what is the circle we have given? X square plus y square equal to 3, and parabola what we have given? X square equal to 2y. If you use this one, so at the place of x square what we can substitute? 2y. So that is 2y plus y square equal to 3. So what we can write it here? Y square plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Now, so if you solve this one, so you will get y square plus of 3y minus of y minus 3 equal to 0. That is, if you take y common, so y plus 3. If you take minus 1 common, so y plus 3 equal to 0. So from here what we can get? From here you can get y equals to 1 and y equals to minus 3. This we can't take because points lie in the first quadrant. So y equal to 1 we can take it here. Now what we can do it here, substitute this value in the any one of the equation, either in the circle or in the parabola. So x square equal to 2y, so that is x square equal to 2 into 1, so x will be plus minus root 2, so that is root 2 only you are going to take because it is lying in the first quadrant. So what is the point P we got? So point P we got root 2 comma 1. This is the point P, root 2 comma 1. Now they are saying that there is a line passing through this point here. So since line L, that is root 2x plus y equal to what we have given? Equal to alpha we have given. Alpha passes through P point, that is root 2 comma 1. So it will satisfy. If it is satisfying here, so what we can write? Root 2 into root 2 plus 1 equal to alpha. So what is the value of alpha you are going to get now? Alpha will be equal to 3. Now what is the equation of line we got? Equation of line we got root 2x plus y equal to 3. This is the equation of line we got it here. Now they are saying that from this one line is passing. You can see in this question the line L touches two circles C1 and C2 of equal radii, alright, whose center Q1 and Q2 of the circle C1 and C2 lies on y-axis. Alright, so what is the meaning of this one? Let us assume this is the line L we are talking about. Alright, this is the line L here, and there are two circles whose center is, you can assume this is Q1 and this is Q2. This is Q2, alright, which touches this line L, and the center lies on the y-axis. Alright, you can see that this center, this is the rough diagram here. So centers lies on y-axis. Now what they are saying? They are saying that the square of the area of the triangle PQ1 Q2. So what is the point P here? P is the some point here itself. This is the point P here, and if you wanted to find a triangle, so this is PQ1 and this is Q2. Alright, so you can directly see the triangle what we have given, P, Q1 and Q2. Already P we have now root 2 comma 1. Our target is to find the coordinates of Q1 and Q2. Q1 is the center and Q2 is also the center. But if you see very carefully, this line L works as a tangent for both circle here. So what we can say here? We can say here L works as a tangent for both circle. Since center lies on y-axis, so what we can assume here, we can assume that 0 comma something beta. All right, here also we can assume 0 comma something gamma, or anything we can assume. All right. Now what we can say here, we can say any one of the circle. For example, this is the first circle, and this is the line we have given. All right, what is the line we have given? Root 2x plus y equal to 3. What is the value of alpha we got? 3. So take minus 3 equal to 0. And what is the center we have given? Center is nothing but 0 comma beta. Radii already we have given. If you see that of equal radii, 2 root 3 is given. So what is the radii we have given? This value will be nothing but 2 root 3. So do one thing, find the distance from a point to the perpendicular to the line here. So perpendicular distance, what we can write it here? 2 root 3 is equal to mod of, substitute those points. So root 2 into 0 and plus beta minus 3 divided by under root of root 2 whole square, that is 2, and plus 1 whole square, that is 1 here. So what we got here? 2 root 3 is nothing but that will be how much? That will be beta minus 3, mod of beta minus 3 upon root 3 we can write out here. Okay, now if you multiply by root 3 here, so we can got it here, beta minus 3 is nothing but 2 into 3, that is 6 here. So beta minus 3 will be 1 times 6, and beta minus 3 equal to 1 time minus 6. So what is the value of beta we got here? Beta we got, that is 9, and 1 beta we got minus 3. So if you see very carefully, this is nothing but 0 comma positive, so 9, and this will be 0 comma negative. What is the negative we got here? Minus 3. This will be the minus 3 values. Okay, so now we got all of the coordinates of the triangles here. All right, so P, Q1 and Q2 already we got. So area of a triangle, what we can write here? Area, what we can write out here? Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle will be, area of triangle PQ1 Q2 is nothing but 1 by 2 modulus of x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 and plus x3 y1 minus y2. Alright, this is the value we wanted to find out here. So already 3 coordinates we have. Let us try to write those 3 coordinates. P we have given root 2 comma 1, Q1 we have given 0 comma 9, and Q2 we have given 0 comma minus 3. So you can assume x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3, you can assume. Now substitute those values here. So area will be what? 1 by 2 modulus. What is the value of x1 do you have now? Root 2. Y1, y2 minus y3. So y2 minus y3 means 9 of minus 9. That will be plus 12 we are going to have now. Plus x2. What is the value of x2 do we have given? x2 we have given 0. So 0 into any number, that will be 0. And plus x3. So that is 0 into again any number, that will be again 0 here. So what we can write at area will be nothing but 1 by 2 into root 2 into 12. That's it. So area what we got here? Area we got 6. So root 2, 6 root 2 we got here. Now they are asking that square of the area. So a square will be how much? 36 into 2, that will be 72. So 72 will be the correct answer for this one. So here what we can say here, the area of the square of the triangle PQ1 Q2 will be nothing but it will be 72. Thank you.